Hi everyone, welcome to Westart Creations. In today's video, join Mickey Mouse and his purse on a drawing adventure where imaginations come to life in every stroke. First, we are drawing the happy leader, Mickey Mouse. So sweet and stylish, Minnie Mouse. Always quacking, Donald Duck. Elegant and beautiful Daisy Duck. Loyal and lovable, Pluto. In the last, the goofiest Goofy. Now, let's spread some colors. And there you have it, a colorful masterpiece starring Mickey and his pals. Thanks for joining us on this creative journey. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more fun adventures ahead. Bye bye.